And the new Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta of the BJP, is on her way with her team, with her cabinet, to the Yamuna Ghat in Delhi. As we speak, we'll be bringing you live images in just a moment from now. It's a big symbolic start to the new Delhi Sarkar. Preparations for a big Yamuna Aarti at the Vasudev Ghat in central Delhi is currently underway, as Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, along with the cabinet ministers, will be attending the Aarti. Remember, the BJP has promised a total cleanup of the holy Yamuna River within the next 3 years. It's a big promise that they will be held to. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party, despite multiple promises made in virtually every election campaign, had completely failed to clean the Yamuna, an issue which had descended into a constant vicious cycle of finger pointing, where the government in Delhi was constantly blaming either Haryana or the centre for a job that was supposed to be theirs and one that they had promised to complete. Since 2015, every government in Delhi under the Aam Aadmi Party has promised a cleaner Yamuna, but challenges such as untreated sewage, illegal industries discharging effluents, and unauthorized colonies along the river banks have remained completely unresolved. Many of these were under the power of the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi. Over 8,000 crore rupees has been spent on cleaning the Yamuna, yet the river remains one of the dirtiest in the country. Let's go straight across to India Today's Piyush Mishra, who's with us live from the Yamuna Ghat, where the Chief Minister of Delhi, the new Chief Minister of Delhi, on day one will be arriving there. Piyush, the Yamuna River in Delhi has had great political significance, especially this election season. So it's interesting to note that Rekha Gupta, the new Chief Minister of Delhi, is making this one of her first stops on day one as Chief Minister.
Well, absolutely, Shiv. If it was rising onion prices for Sushma Swaraj and, if rising onion prices cost government to Sushma Swaraj, then yes, dirty cleaning, dirty water of Yamuna river water has cost Arvind Kejriwal's government. And remember that the BJP has been raising this issue since day one. After the Arvind Kejriwal formed the government, since then we have seen how multiple times the BJP has been raising this issue and has been asking the Aam Aadmi Party government to consistently work on cleaning Yamuna river water. Today, soon after forming the government, Rekha Gupta, who is a BJP Delhi Chief Minister, has now decided to come here at Vasudev Yamuna Ghat. She will not only participate in Yamuna Aarti, but will also review the preparations those are going on, the methodology which is being used by the government to clean Yamuna river water. Right now we are present at Vasudev Ghat of Yamuna river, and here right behind me you can also see, Shiv, as to how there are different machines are also being used to clean Yamuna river water, and the work started the very next day when results were announced. The LG office had held a meeting with various officials of Delhi government, and there are 5 strategies on which the Delhi government is working. And if we list out this strategy, the government has said that it is going to begin with the trash, garbage and silt in Yamuna river water to remove. They will also simultaneously clean operations in Najafgarh drains, supplementary drains and other all major drains will start at the same time. A daily watch on the existing STPs in terms of their capacity and output will be maintained. So there are 5-pronged strategy on which the Delhi government is right now working to clean Yamuna. And first thing which the newly formed BJP government in Delhi is doing is to visit Yamuna Ghat here at Vasudev Ghat. And Rekha Gupta, Chief Minister of Delhi, is going to begin her work by performing Aarti here. You can see all preparations have also been done. There are big lamps, those have also been brought in here. There are priests, also a group of priests who are already here, and all preparations of Puja Aarti have been completed. In few minutes from now, the entire cabinet, Shiv, will be here and they will take part in Yamuna Aarti today.
Okay, so those are live images. I want to expand that window. Let's show that window full screen for where Piyush is standing. That's the Vasudev Ghat, where Rekha Gupta and her cabinet will be arriving in just a moment from now. The Yamuna Aarti will take place at that particular location Very, very symbolic. Clearly, Rekha Gupta, as Chief Minister, wants to establish that the promise her government has made to clean up the Yamuna within the next 3 years is not something that she plans to take lightly, and she will, better be sure of it, be held to it, because the people of Delhi will not be forgiving if this was only a political piece of rhetoric. Listen in to some of the statements that have been made by the new Delhi ministers, reiterating this very, very important pledge.
जो देश के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का विजन है ना, वो दिल्ली को लेके दिल्ली को विकसित दिल्ली बनाने का है। वो एक चैलेंज है, कुछ छोटा नहीं है। 12 साल से जैसे अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने दिल्ली को बर्बाद करने का काम किया है, उजाड़ने का काम किया है, गंदगी फैलाने का काम किया है, आपदा लाने का काम किया है, उसमें से निकालना एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है। लेकिन उस चैलेंज को देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी की डबल इंजन की सरकार के साथ मिलकर हम जानते हैं कि दिल्ली के लोगों को कैसी दिल्ली चाहिए। आप इससे कल्पना कर सकते हैं कि आज अरविंद केजरीवाल खुद कह रहे मैं खुश हूं। क्यों खुश हैं वो? क्योंकि उनको भी लगता है कि उनके बच्चों को भी ये दिल्ली साफ सुथरी मिलेगी, जो वो खुद नहीं कर पाए। उनको भी पता है कि ये बीजेपी कर देगी, उनके बच्चे कम से कम एक अच्छे वातावरण में रह पाएंगे। ये दिल्ली के लोगों को विश्वास है।
यमुना का मुद्दा, सफाई का मुद्दा कैबिनेट में आ सकता है?
देखिए,
प्रायोरिटी पे रहा आप लोग।
मैं बता रहा हूँ, कैबिनेट के मुद्दे कैबिनेट के बाद ही बता पाएंगे। लेकिन मैं आपको बताता हूँ, सबसे प्रायोरिटी जो नंबर 1 मुद्दा है वो यमुना जी की सफाई का है।
अभी मंत्रिमंडल जा रहे हैं और यमुना जी आपको स्वच्छ और सुंदर मिलेगी, इसका वचन जरूर हमारी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आपको देती है और अगले छठ में आपको उसका स्वरूप बदला हुआ मिलेगा। अभी मंत्रिमंडल जा रहे हैं और यमुना जी आपको स्वच्छ और सुंदर मिलेगी, इसका वचन जरूर हमारी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आपको देती है और अगले छठ में आपको उसका स्वरूप बदला हुआ मिलेगा।
जी, कितनी शर्म की बात है कि जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ मुख्यमंत्री बने, इतना बड़ा आंदोलन करा, उन्होंने एक तरीके से आंदोलन के साथ गद्दारी करी, क्योंकि सीएजी की जो रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो 2016 से विधानसभा दिल्ली में अभी तक टेबल ही नहीं करी है। तो मैं बिल्कुल चाहती हूँ कि ये रिपोर्ट स्टेबल हो, जो भी भ्रष्टाचार सरकार में हुआ है वो उजागर हो और उसके ऊपर सख्त से सख्त कार्यवाही हो। यमुना मैया से मतलब मैं सरकार से यही अपील करूंगी कि यमुना मैया जल्द से जल्द साफ करी जाए। आज बहुत दुख की बात है कि पिछले 10 साल में यमुना एक नाला बन के रह गई है। इसको वापस जीवित करना बहुत जरूरी है।